What do you do? Put the blade down. Pick it up a little bit. There you go. Now go forward. Put the blade down some more. There you go. Watch the dirt. Pick it up. Pick the blade up. There you go. Keep going. Watch where you're doing. Put it down some. Put the blade down. There you go. Now you need to turn towards me a little bit. There you go. Come on. That's good. Put the blade down. There you go. Up a little bit. There you go. Watch what you're doing. Blade up. Blade up. There you go. Pick it up a little bit more. A little bit more. Put it down some. There you go. Pick it up. Pick the blade up. 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 Keep going. Keep going. Good job. Now back up. Blade all the way up. Now back up. Look in the camera. Make sure you don't hit nothing. Go backwards. Pull it fast. Straight back. Pull it hard. Sit down. You're doing good. Watch where you're going. You like it? By yourself.